Today's sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making cheese stuffed rolls. First in a bowl I'm going to add 125 grams of active starter. Next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then I'm going to add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Next mix it up. Then add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Next mix that up until the dough forms. Then cover up the dough and let this rest for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, I'm going to do my first round of 3 rounds of stretch and fold, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and then place it on itself and do it all the way around the bowl and then cover up the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm going to do my last round of stretch and folds and then cover the dough back up and let this rise for 6 to 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Now that the dough has doubled in size, I'm going to cut it into 8 pieces. Next, I'm going to take a piece of dough and stretch it out, and then I'm going to add a piece of mozzarella cheese in the center and then roll it into a bowl. Then I'm just going to continue stuffing the pieces of dough with mozzarella cheese and rolling them into balls. Next, I have a greased muffin pan. I'm going to add the rolls into the muffin pan and then cover this up and place this in the fridge overnight. Then the next day, bake this at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Here's an up-close look of the stuffed dinner rolls, and this is what the inside looks like.